Good morning, it's Saturday. We are going running. I haven't ran in a really long time, but I also had this idea for a reel. It's like a two-part video. First part is me warming up for the run, and then the second part is the running part, and it's me like basically intense warm up for a chill run. So there's people. I don't want to film this part. Okay, I think we're good now. There's just people driving behind me, but it's fine, right? Alright, headed out for the run. Wish me luck. I'm taking my phone, so see you out there and see you back in the car for the post-run interview. See ya! Run is done. I think I got all the clips for the reel. I feel like I did not explain it well. A lot of the ideas I have in my head, I can't really put it in words. You're gonna just have to see, but basically it's just an intense workout. Bad Bunny. So imagine I am warming up for my run, and this is the song that's playing. I don't have the second song. Yeah, it's gonna be something like and I'm like just I think I'm gonna go with that song. Either that or like I think that's enough for me. I bought this hot sauce a while ago, and I'm gonna try it. I also made a breakfast sandwich, so I'm gonna try it. The yolk broke. So good. Can't go wrong. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Okay, bye. Oh, it's like vanilla ice cream. Isn't it so good? It's so good. Today there's a like food truck event, so they closed the road down, and there's just a bunch of food trucks. There's also a cruise ship, so the streets are busy. I almost got splashed, but the people are out, which is really cool because it's not always this busy. I saw a place with popcorn chicken. I think it's Taiwanese popcorn chicken, so I'm gonna go try it. check it out. I got a refresher from King's. It's a mango strawberry. I got this Taiwanese popcorn chicken. So good. I am going to edit all the clips I got today. Kind of gotten a lot. I kind of hustled on these clips. I want to just plan it all out so that I don't have to worry about it for like at least 2 weeks. That's the plan. Yep. Alright, I scheduled one reel already. I'll give you a little preview. I edited another video and it's about shave ice. I realize I don't have that much footage and that much content for the Instagram on shave ice since I only work in the morning, so we don't really get a lot of shave ice orders. So it's kind of nice to have some content out there for the shave ice because I think our shave ice is pretty good and people actually come for our shave ice. So made sure to get some content, but yeah, I'm set for the week. Both videos are scheduled and good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna head out now.
What is with the vlog?
I haven't seen her in so long because she left
It's been like
our
2
work.
weeks.
Yep. It's like forever. So cute. Look at her side. It's her first big event. What a big day.
Yeah.
Hi besties. Welcome to a new segment called Kimmy Cooks, where I'm Kimmy and I cook. Okay, that was dumb. This is my snack of choice. Some honey mustard and onion pretzel pieces. So that's what I will be snacking on. I'm making 2 things. First thing, I am going to make some healthier brownies. And second thing is creamy pesto pasta. Protein packed. I'm gonna make the brownies so that while it's in the oven, I can make the pasta. And then while it cools, we'll be eating dinner and hopefully it works out. I only have about less than an hour to do all this, so we will see. Time right now is 5:37. So I want to be done by 6:15. That might be a little bit too much to ask for, but here we go. Okay. For the brownies, the thing that makes it healthier is instead of using the oil, we're using mainly pumpkin puree. We're gonna be using half a cup of pumpkin puree and only like 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the Ghirardelli dark chocolate. This is my favorite brownie mix. So good, but you can use any brownie mix, and instead of the oil, you're using the pumpkin puree. It's just the box mix, pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of oil, an egg, and then you can put espresso powder, chocolate chips, whatever. That's optional. But yeah, let's do it. choice rigatoni, Walmart brand. I'm just gonna add all the things that go into the pasta in here and mix it all up. I think this bowl might be too small already, but we'll try our best. Like expected, the bowl is too small. I have to pour it into this bowl. Okay, got my pasta. To make the sauce, it's pretty easy. You just do some cottage cheese. I only had a little bit left, so I put it in this Talenti container, but it's cottage cheese. I was not a fan of cottage cheese because the texture is weird, but if you blend it, it's like cream cheese, honestly. And then get some pesto, whatever one you like, but I think Costco makes the best pesto. And then it's usually kind of thick, so you have to add some milk, or sometimes if I don't have milk, I just add water and it works the same. But I have milk this time, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in the container so I can get all the pesto out, because we do not waste precious pesto. Add it in here like that and blend. It might be a little too thin, but it's okay because when you mix it with the hot noodles, it kind of like thickens up a little. So I am going over to my friend's house and I'm bringing the brownies. Yeah! Okay, see you there. I say so. It's Mother's Day, so I came to my workplace and I'm gonna make a coffee for my mom, and then I have to go to Safeway and grab some stuff to make tiramisu and then some stuff for breakfast. So come along. It's a Magna Vanilla Latte. Not the best, but it works. Coffee secured. Now going to Safeway to get some stuff for dessert and breakfast. I finished my Safeway shopping and I realized while I was in there that I forgot to get the espresso from work for the tiramisu I'm gonna make tonight. So I have to go back. I thought about going to Starbucks and just getting some espresso, but I'm just gonna go back to work. But also there's one of my coworkers, she is a mom, and I got her some flowers. So we're driving now. But yeah, so I decided since I have to go back, I'm gonna just bring some sunflowers to her. They're so pretty. Espresso shots acquired. Now it's time to go home because I've been out and about for too long. I was not expecting to be out here for this long, but okay, bye. I'm making tiramisu. So I got all my stuff ready. This is the mixture, custard-like mixture, lady fingers, and I have my espresso. So now we're just assembling. So I forgot to press record. So You'll see the second layer, but this is the first layer. It's what it's looking like. But I'll record the second layer. Making a matcha. I'm almost at the bottom. I'm almost at the end. But it's okay. I have 2 other matchas that I've been wanting to try, so we have to finish this first. I don't want to have 3 different matchas. I'm too lazy to sift it, so don't get mad at me, but I'm making 2. Kind of a lot. I'm going for a strong matcha today. This is the finished product. It's perfect. I've realized that I'm starting to enjoy the flavor of matcha more, and I don't really need to make my matcha that's sweet, so yep, matcha girl. Okay, bye. We're at the beach, and Brianne's already putting me to work, putting up the lights.
Whoa, 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 yeah, whoa, 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 yeah. Feel the rhythm, let it flow in the breeze where the palm trees grow.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
The boss is telling me to redo it.
You can do different colors too. One more time.
From the mountains to the sea.
I'm on music duty. Brianne gave me the aux.
My name is Brianne. I've known Kimmy since we were in preschool. Through high school, no, through middle school, singing some Kolohe Kai tunes. What else do I say? I'm really excited to camp.
Yeah, this
And
girl.
I'm excited Kimmy came.
I called this girl and I'm like, hey, there was something, and I was like, are you going? And she's like, oh, I didn't know that was happening. I'm camping right now.
And you came.
And I came, and she's like, if you want to come, you can come. So here I am, crashing her camping plan. She has the whole setup here. I'll give you a little tour. This is her kitchen. She's cooking. She's making chowder. And then
Wait, I take my shop seriously.
she's all set up.
Look at
Picnic.
the lily koi butter.
And here's the DJ booth. I was looking at Brianne's cooler for a drink, and there's so many of these orange cheese. So I said, this must be your least favorite. Well, I've never tried it. I've only tried the, I think, peach one. So, cheers! It does taste like orange juice. This would be perfect for breakfast. You're right. Time to eat. She started cooking.
Should I do big?
Let her go.
Big?
Chefing it up.
Bite-sized bacon bits.
Bite-sized bacon bits.
Should I do a lot of bacon?
Yeah.
A little?
The more bacon, the better. Am I right? Comment down below if you comment down below if you like bacon. Why not?